Man fatally shot during reported gun battle with cops in Cassia Park, St. Andrew. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Members of a police team fatally shot a man during a reported gun battle along Cassia Park Road in St. Andrew on Tuesday. Reports are that a police team was conducting an operation in the area and signaled a motorist to stop. The motorist disobeyed and attempted to escape from the area. Members of the police team pursued the motorist, who later crashed into a wall along Cassia Park Road. Reports further indicated that the man opened gunfire at members of the police team who returned the fire. The man was later found suffering from what appears to be gunshot wounds. He was rushed to hospital where he was pronounced dead. The police said a firearm was recovered from the scene. The police has since commenced an investigation. Indicom has also been notified about the shooting. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.